outputs, what you know. At least what I told also okay. But if it is okay, I don't have any issues. Tell me, Arun.
So I want to get the report like what are all the materials which I have consumed daily for my work order. So how to pull those materials? I want a report.
Okay. So what are the input screens? What are the output screens? Input, what are the fields? Okay. Output, what and all is coming? No, it can be. The question can come in any way. Okay. If you're telling reports, you should know what are the input fields. And the executed output, what are the fields?
So
In the
I need
input fields.
to I need to know the material consumption with related to breakdown maintenance report with a particular breakdown order type.
Why only breakdown order? Why only breakdown? Any order type.
Yeah, any.
Because every okay, it's up to the business again.
Yes.
Okay, but you can keep the field order type
Order
option.
types. Based on the order
Okay.
types, I want to pull the materials which consumed.
Based on the order types, I want to pull the materials. Okay.
Consumed for my maintenance.
Okay, we can keep a field date also. Okay.
Date.
Order number, order
Front.
type, date. Okay. And also we can have the option for order number also. Correct?
Order number.
So
Yes,
if I
sir,
want a specific order number, okay, order number also. Date, order type, and order number. So output, what all will be there? Output.
Yes, sir. Come again.
Yeah, if you execute, what are the outputs? If this is the input screens. In the output, what you will get? Output means
I'll get the list of components against which equipment.
Okay. Against which order?
Plant.
More than equipment, order number is important.
Yes, sir. Against order,
Okay.
equipment,
Equipment
plant.
also okay. Equipment also okay. Okay. But order number mandatory. Okay. Plant is also valuable field. And item category, material stock or non-stock.
Yeah.
And how much quantity consumed?
Consumed. Same that work order operations.
Operations.
No. So what we are entering in our work order, the same details. Number of component quantity.
Operation means you are telling operation line fully you want to display there or only operation activity?
No, whatever we are telling now that in work order it is available, like telling that same we need to tell our list of components, quantity consumed, how much quantity, plant, item category, storage location also we can tell no, sir.
If you want, you can add storage location and consumed quantity, not the quantity in the work order, consumed quantity.
Consumed quantity, yes.
Okay. Where in work order there is a field to get the consumed quantity. Where is that field? Anyone can tell me? In the work order there is a field to get the consumed quantity. Anyone? Any guess? Anyone? Shiva, Iqbal. Iqbal, how is your girlfriend? Iqbal.
Yeah. Yes.
You're always enjoying with your girlfriend, sir. See here. Here you will have the field. Okay, this order is not there. Okay. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, Iqbal Shiva, what you prepared? Yeah, Arun, next. This is one. Okay, you need to prepare this way. Input what at all fields, executed on. See, it depends on the day what they are going to ask. Okay, but We need to prepare with input and outputs. Okay, that is the safer side. That is the safer side. Yeah. Then what other things? Then next, Arun.
Yes, sir. Then
Uh,
uh, after work order got released, so I want to bring the list of orders which there is no actual cost. Means like there is no actual work happened after release. Why there is a pending work, why there is a delay. I want to bring those kind of orders.
Actual work is not happened. How you will guess? How you will analyze, or how the from how you will? This is the field I'm telling. Consume, committed. Okay. Okay. This field, committed is the field. The materials are consumed. You got it. Committed field. Okay. In the, if you have the material, if you double click, if you come down, you can see required, committed, and withdrawn. Committed field is the field. Okay. The material consumed. Okay. Committed field. Okay. This is the field. Okay. Yeah. You are telling no. Okay. You are telling release. Order is released. Work is not done. Work is not done. How you will take the condition from the work order?
Uh, when, when there is no actual cost for that happened for that work order.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Based on that
When there
criteria.
is no actual cost for all three, labor, material, services, and overhead, everything.
Yeah.
If everywhere the actual cost should be zero. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Or you can take only labor also, but service cost may come, right? Services without labor, you can do the services. So their labor cost is not required. Yeah. So any cost is total actual cost. If it is zero, this order can be taken. So again, what is the other condition? Order released, work is not done. I need a report. Actual cost zero. Fine, good. Then no conditions. At least some 3-5 days you should keep some condition, right? At least 5 days like that. If you see, if you run today, you will get many orders.
Yes.
Okay. At
For
least
past
some 5
weeks,
days.
past 1
It's or 1 week or depends. That logic is important, right? You
yes,
can do
past.
even 1 day also we can do, but maybe 3 days or 5 days would be acceptable, maybe logical wise. Correct? Logical wise, maybe it will be
3 to
good.
5 days. Yes, sir.
No. 3 to 5 days means it will consider 3 days also, 5 days also. So you need to give only 5 days. You are telling you want to put the date you are telling, or how? You want to keep the date you are telling, or how? Because I am telling again, in the interview, the question suddenly can come in any way. You should be ready to answer. That is what I am telling this. Suddenly, if they are asking cross questions, you should be able to handle. Input, what and all is going to be there. In the executed output, what and all is going to be there. You should be at least some 70%, you should be okay with the reports. If it is a bad day, I'm telling, if it is a bad day, I'm telling. Okay, don't think, but depends again. Okay. So in the executed output, my order number, if the order is having notification number, and we did the equipment FL, order created date. Okay. And yeah, if you want, you can bring the plant cost. Correct or not? For labor, material, services. So which plant cost is there, you can check it. Am I right? That will be little valuable, right? Where plant cost, which plant cost is, that means which is planned, labor, material, services. So maybe that you can plan. Okay, then third.
Suppose if the for equipment exceeds the target value while giving measuring point, it is going beyond our limits. So I want to bring those equipments which contains measuring points which gone beyond the limit.
Not beyond the limit, beyond the target.
Outside the ranges. Yes.
So use the correct target value.
Yes. That
Why I
lines
am not telling? No. Why I am telling outside range? Why I am not telling to use that word? Can anyone tell me the reason? In the preventive, we saw a topic condition or predictive
Yes,
based
sir.
maintenance.
Predictive maintenance. If it is gone outside the range, automatically notification will be created.
That is
through
what I'm
user
telling.
access.
Don't use that. That is what I'm
Yes,
telling.
correct.
Don't use that
Yes,
word.
correct.
That is the reason I'm telling. That is the reason I'm telling. Okay. So please prepare. My throat is. I'm taking class or not. I don't know. This prepare word only is paining my throat. Yeah. So okay, somewhat, but still you need to prepare little. Still little you need to little more you need to prepare. And yeah, in the FS, what is there? Business requirement, business logic, flow chart if required, dependency, roles, bad job, positive testing, negative testing. Okay, that and all you can. If they ask, I'm telling. If in case they are asking, okay. Yeah, mostly this is what expected from the research. That is reports. Bad time is they may go on interface. They may just ask whether you worked on interface. You tell I don't worked, but I have some basic idea. Interface means data transfer from SAP to non-SAP, non-SAP to SAP. Data going outside is called outbound. Okay, data coming inside is called inbound. Data transfer can happen through IDA. Okay, or other things like IDA. You remember one? If you want, you can tell like this A11 A11 or bad job or one more A11 bad job and mainly IDA A11 bad job SAP PAPO, that is a model. Okay. And RFC is used to transfer the data, remote function call, that is basis it. It's not outside, that is no need to tell this one. Mainly you tell only IDA, no need to tell others and all. Inbound data go coming inside, outbound data going outside. Through IDA you can do data transfer. Okay. Through IDOC, you can do data transfer. This you tell. Not work, but basic knowledge I have. IDOC means intermediate document. Take out WE02. I told, and still WE80 or something also. Okay. So that's
So
all.
this interface like as a functional this PM consultant, basically ABAP like basis guy they will work on it, right? Our job is just to like prepare the documentation for integration and
Absolutely. They are only going.
touch points.
They are only going to write the code, everything. But you are the owner. Owner is we. Because we are going to give the requirement, we are going to test, we are going to tell what and all fields is going to go out, what and all fields are going to come in. Okay, for that you need to give the logic from the tables and fields, SE16N, or some functional module or BAPI, BADI. Mostly tables. If not, ABAP will take from the BADI, BAPI or user exit. BAPI or user exit, they may use it. Okay. A table level we can give what table, what field is going to be taken. I gave one document. This how much people touch that document, I don't know. I gave this one I gave. I told to go through. Last week I gave and then I gave 4 days gap. Okay. So go through anyhow. We will connect again, no issues. I'm telling. Just like that, we can work it out. Okay. So this is the expected mainly any developments or even development you can tell, right? Development also we have discussed like permit open, confirmation cannot be done, or equipment availability. Equipment availability is a report, right? It is not a development. Okay. And then what we can tell like something we discussed, right? Z also I told one Z. That is this risk I told. If you want, you can. That is easy only. Risk you can tell or equipment task list. Equipment task list. Okay, it should come in the work order. That I told one, and then what I told. Where is that? Yeah, this you can tell. This you can tell. Okay, this you can tell. This is a report. Okay. When the order is deleted automatically in the backend, printout should happen. This, if you want, you can tell. This you told. It's a report. This is not development. This is a development, but Z report. Okay. And this someone told, not this batch, last batch. So in confirmation, The work start date should not be before the release date. In confirmation, IW 41, right? Confirm the work start date should not correct, right?
I only
Actually,
told.
what? Sorry,
I only
Shiva.
told. Yes.
Shiva. Okay, yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's a valuable one. This I thought before batch. So this also you can tell. It should throw error. The work start date is before release date. Yeah, that is a valuable development because wrong entry, people wrong human error, oh, that can be removed. Okay.
That comes under data integrity, sir.
Data integrity, development, integrity. See, integrity or integration means with a different module. It's not going to different module. This is inside our module only. But integrity, I'm not sure. Okay, anything. Okay, that is okay. And yeah, this also, if you want, you can tell accumulate FL in one single T code. It's there in HANA, only ECC, I told. Okay. This cost center related settlement from PM side, if you want to get it. So these are the Z reports and developments. This is what expected in the development side. 100% at the end, normally before closing, they will come whether you worked on developments, whether you worked on Z reports or developments. Okay, 100%, 99 you can expect, 95 you can expect. So prepare this. Any doubt, let me know. I am ready to discuss. Yes. Anything?
Sir,
anyone
if they
from-
go like in depth, sir, like what is the first grade, how many fields, like that they will ask, sir.
If it is a bad day, that's what I asked you. What are the input fields? What are the output fields? If it is a bad day, no. If they are really recruiting you for a support or development project, that case they may ask you. If we are going to handle a development, support a development project. So in that case, why they are asking? What is the reason? Really you worked on that Z report or not? That is the reason they are asking. You got my point. If you didn't work right, you cannot tell the input fields. You will blink at the time. If you blink, you are out. That is what I'm telling. We know what are the questions.
Suppose if you are
Eight-
saying a document equipment exceeding credit target value, have you what are the logic you have given for that?
Actually, your word is wrong.
Uh,
You should not use the word equipment. Equipment's
Sorry,
measuring point. In that measuring point, measurement document is exceeded target value. You should be
sharing.
very clear on the words. I'm telling 1,000 times. The words you use, they will catch you. They will come to know where you are standing. You should be, or you don't want to tell equipment also, just to tell measuring point for the measuring, because measuring point can be for equipment as well. So you don't want to use the word equipment at all. Just to speak with respect to the measuring point. If the measurement document is over the target value, exceeding target value, that's all. You don't want to use equipment or FL. Correct, right? Target value measuring point for measurement, measuring document is for measuring point only. Okay. When you are working with the measuring point, you can track your equipment FL automatically. So your target value exceeding is with respect to the measuring point. You are getting my point.
Yes, sir.
That way.
Okay.
Yeah. If it is a bad day, they may ask you what are the input. Yeah, it happened. What are the input in your Z report? What are the input you are giving? What are the output? Or how you write FS? What and all will be there in the FS? Okay. Yeah, they may ask you. They may ask you. There are worst day, bad day. If he fights with his wife and come, you are out on that day. If you speak to his lover and come, you are success on that day. Many things are there in interview result. Really, I'm not joking. I'm telling seriously. If he's good mood, okay, let him go. They will tell. Okay, give chance. Okay. Yesterday, one of my students attended manager HCL role. I told many things. Very simple. What support project you worked? What all projects? Okay, that's all. This is very simple. Someday manager round also they will reject some cases. In manager round also there are chances of rejection. 20%. Yes. Today out 25 minutes. Yes. Anything, any other things? Can we start into HANA? Can be anything, any questions? Other than that, Shiva, anything from your side?
Yes, sir. We are having equipment log for equipment log in SAP for the equipments.
Sorry. Equipment?
Equipment log record.
Okay.
And we can have an app like restricting PM when it is under process. When the equipment is under process, the PM should not get released because it is a chemical process. No, equipment should not be in running while doing maintenance activities.
The equipment should not be running.
Yes.
Equipment should not be running while doing many chemical activities.
No, no,
Take
no.
a permit and go.
PM activities. PM activities. No, the order should not get released. See,
Order
yeah.
should not get status management. In the equipment, create a status. We had discussed status management, right?
Yes.
Create a status. If you are doing chemical activity, bring the status, put the status manually. And if you create order with status, you should not allow to create order. Very simple. Status, that is the use of status management. This is the role of status management. This is the benefit of this is the use of status management. Blocking doing maintenance with respect to some activity. This stage it should not do this. It should not do that. That is the use of that. With that, you need to write the code. With that, you need to write the code. Equipment, if this status in IW31 or through preventive also, overall order number should not be generated. Then code to be written. Create a status profile. Put a status. Chemical, you told something, chemical or acid cleaning, different status. If the status is active, if you create order, it should throw error. Very simple. Got it, Shiva? Yeah, this also you can tell development. Absolutely.
Yes.
It's a development. Yes, it is a development. Absolutely, it's a development. Okay. Yeah, done or not? I need to start class for today.
Done, sir. Can proceed.
This is what I told. See, this is what consultant. When you are asking, this is what consultant role. When a requirement is there, how you are going to match into SAP. I told right with status. So like this, you should think what and all what topics we completed. So you should try to match, okay, this can be done with this process, or whether you need to think whether we can go with the permits. Okay. That you need to check whether permit means, but it will be a reverse way. Permit means you should create already order for the equipment. Okay, maintenance is going on and permit is open. And for that equipment, if permit is open, other order should not be created. This is a reverse way, back and way kind of. You got my point, right? For the acid cleaning, create order. In that order, you are opening a permit because this acid cleaning is going on. So for that equipment, if the permit is not closed, it should not again allow to create one more order. It should go from this equipment permit open. Understand what I'm telling? Yes or no? Shiva, you got it. Shiva,
Yes, got it, sir.
but that is the reverse way. Kind of, you can do. What you can do this way also. It is a development. Anyhow, it is a development. Okay. You can go this way or you can go this way. You need to explain both the business. We can go this or this, or how the requirement they want to play. That business can decide, or yeah, anything finally with the business approval only we are going to do. Okay. Okay.
Suppose if you check with some consultants, will come to know, no sir, more Z reports.
Yeah, absolutely.
In our company.
Absolutely. Say check the FS whether you get the SharePoint document for FS. If you get, you can read the FS of your project. Function specification, PA model, where the FS is shared, SharePoint. If you get access, you can read your FS. This you can tell. This also you can tell, or you read, no issues. Anything fine. Okay. Okay, so expected, I told you in the development, these Z reports are some development, or they may touch what is interface, whether you are, they will ask. You tell not work, inbound, outbound, IDOC may be the interface, equal W02. That is enough. More than that, not required. For 3-4 years, just they will try to know whether you know what is interface. That's all. Okay. The more than that, they won't go much inside. Okay. 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 So today we'll go into HANA. LSMW still that issue is not fixed. Okay. I will come that and we need to do phase-based maintenance. I need to do that. We'll do next week in the middle because I am traveling this Friday, Saturday, Sunday mostly. Okay, so Friday, tomorrow, from tomorrow, I'm not, I told already new batch is starting from tomorrow. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm traveling. Friday, Saturday. Saturday, I will update. The group, I will update. If not, next week, maybe Monday, Tuesday. Anyhow, we have classes, 4 classes we have. And we need to do a lot of mark interviews. So everyone prepare. Okay. Shiva, I need to check your resume. I'll check it. Okay. I will try to check by tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to go into HANA. Okay, theory we completed, but we didn't get introduction into HANA. So we are going to discuss on HANA. Okay. Very important, I'm telling. Many people don't know HANA concepts. Nowadays, every interview they are asking HANA. Every interview they are asking HANA. So people are working without knowledge in HANA. Okay, so please, what and all I'm telling, try to sit and prepare. That's what I can tell.
Sir, for ECC 6.0 also database is HANA only, no, sir?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. See this. I think I touched this on the day. ECC you can use on any database. One second, I had showed that, right? One second, one second. Good you asked. See, this I touched on the day, I think so. In HANA, the database is only HANA. In ECC, you can use any Oracle, DBM, etc., etc., etc. That is the first difference. HANA means you are using HANA database, only HANA database. Only. HANA you are using in only HANA database, not any other database. Clear? ECC you can use in many databases, in any third-party database. Clear? No, it's a very valid question. Very
Clear,
valid
sir.
question.
Clear.
Very important fundamentals. Okay. And ECC you have only GUI, Fury is not there. HANA you have the Fury and all we have discussed. Types of Fury I told on into question. Fact sheet, analytical, and transactional labs. That is the into question. I had already told during Fury discussion. Okay. And here low performance, here high performance. Okay. That's what here you can use only in desktop. Here you can use in your mobile. That is the use of Fury. Mobile tab with your basis security setup. Okay, this is the main difference on ECC and HANA. Okay, this is the main difference. Version. Okay, and this also I told on the day, I think so. In ECC, if it is APO or EWM, MDM, they will have a separate box. Box means that database, not database, the software. But in HANA, all will be in single box, not for interview, but just for knowledge purpose. I'm telling you. Okay. Okay, then this is PM Fury Tales. This is for ABAP, not required for us. Actually, in the ABAP for HANA, okay, so this row and column is changed. Okay, row and column is, this is for ABAP actually. Well, I'll tell you, row is converted into column. This US alpha, their row, US alpha, they are bringing into like this. You got it. US row 2. Okay, so country. This one is country, one is product and sales. So they put with country. That's what row to column. They are changing the above side, not for us. Okay, they're changing the above side. That is for that one. And Okay. So S4 on HANA. S4 is the fourth gen. Now, no need to buy that. I'm just telling information purpose. Okay. S4 is the fourth generation of fourth generation. Enough. If you want to remember business suite or leave it. Okay. And S stands for suite. S4 I am telling. Okay. HANA stands for high performance analytical appliance. Okay. High performance analytical appliance. This is what S4 HANA. Okay. This is what S4 HANA. Okay. Okay. Read it. Not for interview. I'm telling just knowledge purpose. I'm telling. Don't think this. Just for your knowledge purpose. I'm telling. Okay. So S stands for fourth generation. Okay. And S for word suite. And HANA stands for high performance analytical appliance. Okay. That's all. Okay. This is just what is HANA. And then, yeah, this is very important. Okay. So HANA is again classified into, okay, HANA is again classified into on-premise and cloud. On-premise, mainly on-premise and cloud. Okay. Okay, on-premise and cloud. In the means, I think actually I don't know, but it's okay, no issues. Cloud means the HANA database will be maintained by SAP itself, not by the client. You're understanding? It will be maintained by SAP itself. Maintain SAP deploys the software in the SAP owned data center. But in on-premise, the database will be handled by the client itself, customer. Any doubt on this? Or not able to understand?
So
The
cloud is only
database.
the SAP owned data center. It cannot be
Yes.
AWS, Azure or Google.
Sorry.
It will support the other cloud like Google or AWS, Azure.
Sir, that and all I don't know, sir. HANA database. The database is maintained by SAP, I'm telling. Owner of the database. Owner of the database is SAP. I don't know. I think no. I think Google, AWS and all. No. That is what ECC. That is what we discussed the before shot here. The before shot we discussed, right? This is what we discussed here. That is what we discussed here, right?
Yeah, but ECC mainly it's on premises, right? There is not for cloud.
ECC there is no cloud.
Yeah.
ECC there is no cloud. Clear or anything?
Yeah, it's clear.
Sir, ECC S4 HANA is both on-premise and cloud. Is it both?
Yes.
Yeah, that one both.
Yes. On-premise and cloud. Again, that is what I'm telling. What is on-premise and cloud? I'm making you explain. Cloud, the database will be maintained by SAP. Here you cannot do any developments or any even small configurations with approvals only you can do from SAP. You cannot do configuration. Everything restricted. Everything with approval from SAP only you can do any configuration. That is what that is the reason they brought here phase base and all. I told right in work order we need to do phase base. I told you, remember now. Before some time I told we need to touch phase base little. That is very hot topic. New only it came. Not means very new fundamentals you should know. At least the fundamental steps. That 9 steps I told in the last class also. I had given the WhatsApp group. I'll tell you there later. Here I showed yesterday also. That really initiate screening, preparing, approval. This one. At least that 9 steps we'll do. But at least these 9 steps try to remember in case they're asking. Initiation in the bracket screening. Okay. Planning. Approval. Preparation will come. Preparation, scheduling, execution. Here, these are the steps. Initiation, screening, planning, approval, preparation, scheduling, execution, post-execution, completion. These are the 9 phases of new phase base. That is what here, that we'll discuss later. Again, we are diverting. Okay. So that is what they are bringing common notification and order type. Y1 and Y2, YA0 and YA02. That is given by SAP itself. For this phase base, that are the notification order type. That we'll discuss next class. Everything we are getting diverted. Okay. So, yeah. So here you can do any configuration, any development because the client is owning the database. In the cloud, you cannot do any configuration, very restricted with conditions. But this is what profit because maintenance is taken by ESB. Here we need to take care of the maintenance. Clear? So now this is the profit they will tell, but restriction with restriction. Okay. With restriction. This is called on-premise and cloud. Anyone have any questions on on-premise and cloud? Sir, we are all tried to learn this and all. I'm not taking seriously, I'm telling. Take it serious. Any questions on this for now? Okay. Again, cloud is further classified into private cloud and public cloud. Cloud is again classified into private and public cloud. Again, little they are given some things I need to go through. Okay. Cloud is again classified into private cloud and public cloud. Okay. Just not to tell in the interview, I'm telling just private cloud and public cloud. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So again, cloud is classified into private cloud and public cloud on premise. Okay. Hybrid and all is mixed. That's all. This is your mobile. So these are the main thing. These two on premise and cloud. Okay. These are the tools. And then coming to the version. This and all fundamentals we should know. Okay. This SAP reference link we are already used. Okay. They will ask which version you are. So in HANA, you tell on no need to tell on premise, but if they ask you open month, otherwise you just tell 2020. Okay. In case for private cloud or on premise, you tell on premise. Okay. In case if they ask otherwise, just only tell version. No need to tell cloud. If you tell 2020 itself, they know it is on premise because here you will get to know that one in the apps. This we already completed. I thought to go into SAP, but not sure. We'll see. So here, this is only cloud. Oh, thing is coming. Yeah, you can see this is on-premise, this is cloud. Okay. In cloud, only two versions. 2402. They won't ask the number. I'm just telling you. In cloud, only two versions, 2402 and 2408. Only two versions in cloud. HANA is started by 1511 or something. Okay. It started by 1511, I think so. And now latest 2023. Okay. 2023, 1511. Okay. 1511, I think so. Oh, from sounding zero, but it started 1511 something started, I know. But they are given here from here only. But it started 1511. I know it. Okay. They won't ask this, but just I'm telling information purpose. If they ask you tell 2020 or 2021 or 2022, you tell. Okay. Anything you tell. Okay. Okay. And when you are telling this version, you should be very cautious. In the Fury apps, I told performance maintenance job app only from 2021 version. I told, remember, during Fury apps, I told that word. Okay. You can see that and all you should be cautious. If you're telling I worked on performance maintenance job app, and if you tell that, if you tell I worked on 2020, they will catch you. Getting my point, your guys are able to understand what I'm trying to tell.
Yes, sir.
You're asking what is
Yes,
performance
sir.
job app, right? You're asking me what is that, sir? You're telling something, right? What to do, sir? Our life is like that. This performance job app is introduced from 2021 version only. When you are discussing, when you are telling, if you tell I worked on 2020 in performance job app, they will catch you. This guy is fake. You should be very clear while speaking. Okay, if you tell performance because this started from 2021 only, be very cautious. Okay, be very cautious. Okay, for confirmation, you have the confirm job app. That is in any version. That is older versions. Okay. So this and all you need to just revise properly. See here, I told right 1511. This they won't ask. This is not matter, but this is matters. This is very important. Okay, this is from 2021 again. Phase base we need to go. Mainly this is the one 2021 older version. This is the main important one point you should know. Okay. Other than that and all, okay, this and all old only. Okay, this is that's no issues. Zero no issues. Okay. Okay, so this and all some introduction. Okay, where's that today? This is okay. I thought of discussing something. Yeah, this is introduction, okay, but we didn't go inside. Okay, then what we need to discuss in HANA. Okay, so this is important, not for entry, but for your knowledge purpose. Version, always remember the version. Suddenly they will ask ECC version 6.0, S4HANA 20 or 21, 22 also is there. What all versions you are going to tell? Before going to the interview, check the version, what you are going to tell, 2020, 2021, 2020, which version you are going to tell, be very clear. Okay, be very clear. Okay, remember it. And then discussing HANA. Do lot of practice. Any doubt, please let me know. Very important point. Very important point. Write in a runout. Simplification list. Very important. Very important. Not for entry purpose, for your self-knowledge purpose. Simplification list means, okay, every version wise, 2022 simplification list means in the 2022 version with respect to EAM, EM, what and all SAP did the changes. That is called simplification list. Any not able to understand anyone? The changes given by SAP, version wise you will get. That is called simplification list. Write in your handnote, everyone write in your handnote. Any doubt on this simplification list? Anyone have any doubt on this? Are you clear? Iqbal, Arun, Shiva, are you clear? What is simplification list? Hello, everyone is there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no. I am blinking whether I am.
So this is basically the set of application developed in Fury to simplify
not only Fury, any changes, each version wise, not only Fury, it is not only for Fury. Mostly now are coming in Fury only. 99% are coming in Fury only. It can be in GUI, but mostly it won't be. 99% will be in Fury only. Overall is not, you should not tell only Fury. Overall, for EAM, 2020 simplification list. So in 2020, what and all is introduced? 2021. In 2021, what and all being used? In 2022. In 2022, what and all being introduced by SAP? This is called simplification list. Okay. Apps correct, but it is not
Yes,
only
sir.
on apps, but it is common module. Okay. Okay. Right. So this is very important. Simplification list is very important. Okay. Then what we need? That's what I am checking. What
Basically, whenever they release any new version, they give the release notes. In the release note, it mention like what are the new enhancement, new features has been introduced. So that basically it is called as a simplification list here, right?
But note. See, you are speaking of which note? What you told is correct.
Yeah. Like in IBM, whatever the new version released, it's called as the
No. Why I am telling in support project we discussed. Remember yes note in SAP, not that note. Don't
Yeah.
confuse this note and not that note. That's what I am.
Yeah. Not that release note. Yes.
Don't confuse. That is what I'm telling. This is not release note. This is your issue solving note. This is different. That is different. What you told is absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. But in SAP, if you tell note means people will think this. That's what I'm like. This is different. That is different. What you told is correct. That changes. That's simply yes. Absolutely, your answer is correct. That is there. That's what every version wise. What are the things SAP is introducing? Okay, you need to read lot, sir. I'm telling you, you need to read lot. I am also learning, and still learning. Okay, right. And then. Okay. So, okay, 5 minutes I have. Okay, we'll touch little. Okay, this app. Okay, there is app report and repeat malfunction app. I think I should have touched it during our class. For this app, this configuration is mandatory. I think I told in the Fury class, but I'm not sure. Again, I'm telling. Okay. Sir, for this, many people are without Fury knowledge. Again, I'm telling you guys had paid. I'm trying my best. Use very important. What and all we are discussing today is very, very, very important. Okay. So this config is mandatory if you want to use the report and repair malfunction app. Okay. If you are not configuring this for your plant, it will throw error. Okay. Your plant, it will throw error. So if you want to use, for example, if you are creating a new plant, J or something. Okay. If this, and I told or not, I don't know. In HANA, they are considering only M2 for breakdown, not M1. Clear? They are not considering M1. They are considering only M2. In HANA, ECC, you can do breakdown in M1 also. In HANA, they are using only M2. So your plan to order type configuration mandatory if you want to use this repair and report malfunction app. I told in the class, I guess so, but even anyhow, no issues. Again, I'm telling. So if you want to use this app, see here, you define which notification are to be used further in the report malfunction app. Okay. Okay. So plant and notification type, right? For your plant, see 1710 M2. Okay. So if this config is not done, you cannot use this app for your plant. Any doubt on this? Any doubt on this? Are you clear what I'm telling? Are you guys clear? Okay. Next. Okay. So, I forgot to tell you one more matter is there. SFW5. I think I discussed with Shiva. Arun, I discussed SFW5. Only with Arun or everyone, I don't know. Business function activation. Illa, I discussed with someone. Business function activation. In HANA, whatever you are going to see is coming from the business function activation only. Okay. This is for your entry purpose also. Interview, they won't go this level, but yeah, it's valuable, very important. Business function activation. Okay. So, for example, yeah, if you go to the shop paper, okay, if you go to the shop paper, example, with this we'll close for today. Okay. If you go to the shop paper, okay, good. Here you don't have this one. In the means, shop paper, you can do printout before release in HANA. Okay, before release, and you can do printout after TECO also. If you see in my HANA system, it's not there. Correct? It is not there. How you can bring? For this, there will be a business function. For this, there will be a business function. This is the business function. Okay. We cannot remember every business function, but use this link for business function activation. Okay. I think this one. Okay. We need to read lot. See, this and all are business function activations only. See here. Okay. So what we saw now? This is 17, CA 17. Okay. Come to CA 17. If you read here, see here. CA 17 or what is it? No, CA 7, I think so, not 17, CA 7. Is this one? Yes, CA 7. See, you can print shop papers for the traders that have the status created or technical. In ECC, this is not possible. Shop paper can be printed only if the order is released. In HANA, you can do even if the status is released or after tech also. So how you will achieve this? Only by activating this business function. 6 or 7. Okay. Okay. So you 7. Okay. You can see in our system, it is not there. This is not there. Okay. I also need to drop. Okay. So how to activate, we'll see now. This is actually business function activation is not our work, but you should know. Okay. This function is not there. When? Okay. We need to activate business function. You should know that knowledge you should know. That is what my matter. Okay. If you are taking a demo server also, it means if it is the HANA changes are not there, means okay, business functions to be activated. This PPT also it will help you. Not this PPT, I'll send one more PPT. Go through that once again. You see this PPT, you will understand little. Okay. You see this PPT, I'll send this by 10 minutes now. This one or that old one. Both I'll send. Just to go through, use the time. Okay. So if you come to the system here, this will come like this, continue. Control F, V log CA7, right? Log. Continue. Oh, okay. This is not our work, but if you are using demo system in the project, this will be done by the security consultant. Okay, this activity business function will be done by that, but you should know the knowledge. Okay, this is not there. Okay, for example, take this one. What is that? Yeah. So we need to see, we didn't see for IP30H, if you want to use in HANA, you need to activate this business function. Like this, you should have knowledge. Okay. That is what I'm telling. Okay. Right. So CA7, this is our thing. Yeah. You can see the difference here. Okay. So this is glowing. This is not glowing. In the means ours is not activated. Okay. Ours is not activated. This is glowing. It is activated. So this is not activated. So select it. Okay. And give the tick mark here in the right side. This one. Okay. Select it. Give the tick mark here. Activate changes. This is how to activate a business function. Because in future, you guys may take any demo server from outside, means you should know how to bring. It will take some 2 minutes. When it is activated, its respective changes will display in the screens. Okay. So this will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So with this, we'll close for today. Okay. And I am stopping the video, sorry, audio.